Hello, so we are going through the process of designing my new collection. If you want more information on the theme and products going into it, make sure to watch the beginning of this series, and I'll have it linked in the top right corner of this video or in the description box below. And also, all this will make so much more sense if you have already signed up for the free handmade training. The link is down below at growwithlady.com/handmade. It's a training that I use to make cohesive product lines, and you're just gonna love it. So today what we're going over is, I told you yesterday about some of the products I'm creating, and so today was test day. I printed out test pages to make sure that the print quality would look good enough and legible, because that's very important. I have some text on my pages, as you can see here. This is the one that's already in my shop, but I just wanted to show you what a test page looks like. I don't want to give away secrets of what's coming up next. When my collection is released, you'll be able to see them here as well, but sneak peeks go to my email list first for my stationery business. So this is a test page that I did. I printed out everything that is going in the collection, minus two things because I already have physical copies of those. And yeah, so today was testing day to make sure everything's gonna look good, and they look really good together. I'm really excited about this collection. So make sure to click the link below to get that free handmade training. We're gonna keep going through this process of developing this collection. I'm just so excited. It's so much fun. I know, like, I've been doing this on my own, but it's fun to do it and share with you as well. So here's to awesome collections. If you have any questions, leave them below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when new videos are coming. And we're just going to keep on moving forward with this. Yay!